you go. Happy birthday to me. I'm 35 years old and I hiked up to Mount Cammerer. This is the fire tower that they use to as a lookout for wildfires. Right here, Great Smoky Mountains. We're on this creepy fire tower here, watchtower. Definitely worth the hike. Definitely worth the hike. I will say that the trail definitely is overgrown. It needs some love, but besides that, the views are, as you can see, are spectacular. And the hike wasn't that bad. It's a little more than 5 miles if you park in the turnaround area, not actually in the campground. I'm not sure if you're supposed to pay or not. So I started hiking around 8, so I beat like maybe the guard that comes and charges you, I'm not sure. But this is the top of Mount, I don't know if it's Cammerer or Cammerer or what, but I'll show you some more views over here of the watchtower here. These steps are a little unstable, I'm not gonna lie. This is a little freaky here. Here is the fire tower, and let's go show you guys the history here. Make sure I don't fall. Get down here. Let's see what we got here. And now I'm gonna go to the summit, which I'm guessing is that way past the tower here. But like I said, it's a very good hike, and if you're thinking about do it. Just come with a friend. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little spooky by myself, a little jumpy. Tons of bear droppings, and on top of that, see some bear claw marks in the rocks. I don't think they're man-made, so I'll show you guys the summit here in a second. So I lied. I don't know if there is a way to go to the summit. I have no idea. Either the trail is overgrown or there's no way. But let's see the inside. I think this is the basement of the fire tower. Let's see what's in here. Okay. It legit smells like fire in here. A little creepy in here. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know what is going on here. I'm guessing these are the boards they use to fix it up, I'm guessing. I don't know. But this is the inside of the fire tower. Something else that's a little concerning is there is a piece of firewood right here, and I don't know why. So unless somebody had a fire up here, I'm not sure. But I know this trail also was off the Appalachian Trail, so people probably camp up here. I don't know if you're supposed to or not, but they might. Not sure. But yeah, this is the. Well, let's look. This is the fire tower, and in a moment, I will start my trek back down here. But again, let's go look at. You know what? One more look at the top because it's so beautiful, and it's hiked for over 2 hours to get up here. So let's go ahead and do that. Turn my attention here. It's a little steep here, so we should be careful and wear good shoes. Let's see. guess you probably could jump over this and go that way, maybe get a different view, but I don't think it's worth it. It's a little dangerous to do that, so I recommend it. And there you go. That's Mount Cammerer, and I hope you enjoyed the video and check this hike out in the Great Smoky Mountains. Thanks.